Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine is displaying error code BC2. Error codes usually appear on your washing machine's display and indicate that there is a fault with your appliance. This particular error code means that the relay, which is the set of buttons behind the control panel that provides the LCD display, is stuck. This means the display PCB will need to be replaced. Before carrying out any work, make sure your washing machine is turned off and fully disconnected from the mains. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat head screwdriver. Now, using the Phillips head, I can remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back. Next, remove the detergent drawer by pushing down in the center here and lifting out, and then undo the 4 screws at the top using your Phillips screwdriver. And then 2 screws near the detergent drawer to release the control panel. With the screws removed, you can disconnect the control panel from the appliance. Disconnect the electrical connection by pinching the clip at the back and lifting up. Then you can remove the control panel completely. To remove the PCB from the control panel, undo the 3 screws using your Phillips head screwdriver, and then gently ease away the clips, holding it in place using a flathead screwdriver. Here are the relays. Now if you push these in, they should click. If they don't, then it's a sign that the PCB is faulty and it will need to be replaced. To remove the PCB from the control panel, simply pinch the electrical connection and lift away. To find the PCB for your washing machine, you're going to need your make and model number. You can see our video here on how to find the model number for your appliance. You can also use the link in the description below to find the PCB for your washing machine. Reconnect the electrical connection of the PCB into the control panel and then fit into the clips and re-screw. Refit your 3 screws to the PCB. Reconnect the electrical connection and then fit the control panel and PCB into place. You can then refit the screws. Refit the detergent drawer by just pushing it into place. I can now refit the top and the screws. Now that your PCB has been replaced, hopefully that removes the error code from your display. Now that your washing machine is up and running again, why not make the most of it by getting to know your washing machine settings? Our video here gives you all the information about the settings to get the most out of your machine and to keep your laundry fresher for longer. For further tips and advice on fixing and maintaining your household and garden appliances, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.